Check it out. This is the Cozy Blue Water Dispenser. It's a portable water bottle pump that works with just a press of a button. No more leg pumps or risks of leaks. I'm talking no mess, no stress, just straight up convenience. Here you can turn it on, turn it off. You have also 600 milliliter button that you can press, and it will stop automatically after you fill up 600 milliliter. This is usually enough for me for my cup of tea, my cup of coffee. So when you want to charge it, you just connect it here in the back, and as you can see here, it will start to blink in red while it's charging. Usually it takes like an hour and is full charge. This is a metal sink and this is a plastic pump. So to glue between them, you need a specific glue. I used epoxy set in 5 minutes by Gorilla. I'll put you link in the description. Now for me, living with 2 dogs, things can get a little bit wild. So to have a pump on the floor that you need to pump with your leg, it's kind of like a little bit difficult because, you know, 2 dogs, they play around, they can chew it. So now let me show you the system. Let's jump under the sink and check it out. Hello, hi. Okay, let's jump and see here what's happened under the sink. This is the black tank water. You just go with the dirty water, just go from here straight to this tank. And I have here clean water, and this is also clean water. So there is 2 jugs of water. Together is like around maybe 13, 14 gallons. I just have a little hose. The hose goes from here straight to the pump, and I'm gonna show you right underneath. And sometimes I just switch between the hose. I take the hose out and I put it in this one. So I can switch between them. I can rotate between the water. And you can see right here, the water pump have this hose connected directly to the clean water. Again, clean water, dirty water. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tips, gear reviews, and life on the road. Until next time, see ya!